Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Houdini hair growth oil review, and we will find out that this is a scam or a legit website or a legit product. Right, so it's marketed as a natural solution for hair growth, and it is available on most of the big e-commerce websites such as Amazon, Ubuy, and all this website here. Now the key concern is texture and consistency, right? So they market themselves as a really good product. I hope they are, which we will find out. The product authenticity, and while hair growth products typically requires consistent use over time, some user experience disappointed and not seeing quick result, which I found. Let's see some of the reviews here. So they have around 25 ratings, and we'll find out. And okay, the 5 star is around 40% and 20% is 1 star, so it could be depending upon the product and whether that product is suiting to the person or not. The product is supposed to be a combination of several oil, yet it isn't oily at all. It feels quite watery instead, so it leave me think I have been deceived and this is a sham product. It's sham, it's, you can say, false. Time will tell. It's an hair growth item, not instant result. Of course, it's about the hair, so it couldn't be, instant. I would even give it a 0. I think it was diluted with water and got no oil at all. Don't buy this. And now let's talk about the 40% here. Amazing, right? It's really works. So in the 5 star, there are ratings where you will find that there's only 2 written reviews. So still it's up to you, because most of the consumer says that this is oily and this is not suitable, there's no instant results. It's up to you that you want to buy this product or not, because it's just not a scam. What they're promising, I think they are not providing that. So it could be up to you that you want to try this out or not, or you can just move to another product which is much more suitable to your body and give you the result. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.